Sensei Jose here again. Today we're going to be learning about self-control and striking. Ayusa! Hey kids! Welcome back to Karate for Kids. Sensei Jose here again. Alright guys, so today's lesson, we're going to be learning hammer strikes. Today's word of the day is going to be self-control. Alright? Let's get started guys. Alright, so we're here. Hands to your side. Everybody ready? Are you guys ready to say yes sir? Alright. Bow. Whoos. Good. Alright, we're going to get right into it today. Now, instead of running through the forest, we're going to be jumping through time. We might run into dinosaurs, or ninjas, or samurai, or pirates.
Oh no.
So keep a sharp eye out there. If you see anything, just shout out, I see something, I see something. So I can be aware, okay? So we're gonna work together. You're gonna jump through time with me, and if you see anything, let me know. All right, here we go. All right, so start warming up. Start moving the legs. Good, all right, here we go, here we go. We're gonna do a big jump if we're gonna jump through time. All right, jump. Woo! Where are we? Oh, there are a lot of pirates here. Oh, there's pirates. Is that Jack Sparrow? Oh, okay, let's keep running. Okay, guys, let's jump again. Oh, this is a weird era. There's a lot of dirt, pyramids. Ooh, Egyptian. Oh, nice, very nice. Okay, jump. Oh, keep running. Oh, there's a lot of swords here. You hear that? A lot of sword fighting. We're in the ancient samurai. We might run into ninjas. So if you see a ninja, just let me know, okay, guys? Do you guys see a ninja? You see a ninja? Oh, okay. Oh, I thought I heard you guys say it. All right, ready, jump. We're in the Jurassic era. Keep running. Now, in the Jurassic era, we have to keep running, but we have to be really quiet, okay, guys? Keep going, all right? Keep going. Wait, what? What are you saying? What do you see? Behind me? Nope. I don't see anything. All right, keep going. We're gonna stay here for a little bit. Look at all these cool dinosaurs. What? You see something? Where? What are you, behind? You guys, I don't see anything. Are you sure you're looking at stuff? Oh, keep going, guys, keep going. All right. Wait, what? Wait, behind me? That's a T-Rex! Run! You gotta dodge! Move to the side! Move to the other side! Move to the other side! Go! Keep going! You guys, we gotta jump through the time! We gotta get out of here! Jump! Whoa! Man, that was a close one. Good thing you told me on that last one. Woo! All right, guys. Okay. Oh, that T-Rex almost bit me. Whew. Hey, thanks for staying focused. Thanks for using that self-control. All right, guys. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is this. We're gonna use a different warm-up now because we're gonna do hammer strikes, okay? We wanna practice a little bit, so we're gonna warm up with our hands to loosen our hands up, all right? Hey, by the way, what's the word of the day today? Anybody know? Raise your hand. What is it? Self-control. Excellent job, guys. All right, here we go. So bring your feet together, put your arms out like this, and circle. All right, this is a good warm-up. Circle. Good to loosen up the shoulders a little bit. There you go, and stop. And now go back. There you go, very good. Good job, guys. Excellent, very good. And then stop. Hands to your side, whoos. Very good. Now the next one we're gonna do, we call this a rolling punching. So because we're gonna do hammers, we're gonna use hammers for rolling punching. You ready? Here we go. Ready? Like this, just like this, look. Rolling punching, just like this, rolling punching. Let's try it, ready? Let's go. Rolling punching, ready? Roll. I'm gonna turn sideways so you guys can see. All right, guys, we're gonna go faster now. Go faster. And faster! Nice! Hands to your side. Whoosh! Very good, guys. Excellent. Hey, what is the skill set or the lesson that we're learning today? What are we gonna learn? Anybody remember? I said in the beginning. You. Hammer strikes, very good, very good. All right, we got one more warm-up. One more warm-up, here we go, watch this. Watch my feet. I'm gonna go out and back. Out and back. You're gonna do it with me. We're gonna go with this side. We're gonna go on this side, ready? We're gonna count to 5 together. We're gonna go 5, ready? Here we go. 1, good. 2, good. 3, good. 4, good. 5, excellent. Now we're gonna go on the other side. Ready, guys? Go. 1, good. 2, good. 3, good. 4, good. 5, excellent. Very good. And hand to your side. Whoos. All right, guys. By the way, that stepping out is just like our horse stance that we're going to do later on today. And remember, guys, we want to practice our self-control throughout the whole class. Okay, guys? Very good. Now we're going to go to our next segment. Everybody go like this. Whoos. Self-control is about controlling our body and controlling our mind. So again, one more time. Hands like this. Set. Oh, control your body and control your mind. Here we go. We're going to hold this for 10 seconds, everybody. Ready? Hands like this. And repeat after me. Say, control your body. Control your mind. All right, here we go. Ready? And holding it for 10 seconds. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Congratulations. Good job, guys. Excellent job. Holding this still. If you're standing still, that means you were practicing self-control. You're on your way to becoming a black belt. Oos. Okay, very good. Hands to your side. Oos. All right, guys. Step out. Arms out like you're riding a bicycle. Make a fist. Turn the hands and pull them back. All right, so the first move for the hammer strike, I bring my hand all the way up like I'm gonna do a telephone block, but I'm not. And then I bring my elbow in, facing the camera, and then down like a hammer, and I hold it out like this. One more time, ready? Up, elbow in, and then hammer. Very good, guys. Now let's try the other hand. Up, elbow in, and hammer. Now I'm gonna face this way so you guys can see how far I come down. I don't wanna do this. That's bad self-control. I don't want to do bad self-control. I'm a black belt. I want to be a black belt. You guys are doing this because one day you're going to be a black belt. So you got to make sure that we practice our self-control. So right here, I come up to the ear like a telephone block, in and down. Good, and back. So up to the ear, elbow in and down. Very good. Now we're going to face each other. We're going to do 10 of these together. 10. So I want everybody to get back into the horse, just like so. And we're gonna do it together. We're gonna do it a little bit quicker. Try to follow along. Here we go. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back. Now this time you're gonna do it by yourself. So stay in your horse stance. I'm gonna be watching you. All right, who's ready? Okay, make sure to get that good horse. And here we go. When I say go, you're gonna do your 10. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, guys. Give yourselves a round of applause. Very good. Good job. Round of applause. Very good. Okay, now, the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna come out. Okay, guys? I'm gonna grab the pads for you guys. You're gonna practice with me, and I'm gonna hold the pads for you guys, and you're gonna practice your hammer. You guys know what time it is? It's hammer time!
Stop! Hammer time!
Alright, hold on. That was funny, right? Okay, alright, so I got blue, and I have red. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold out the blue pad, okay, or the red pad, doesn't matter. And when I hold the pad out, you're gonna execute your hammer strike. So as soon as you see the pad like this, where it's flat, you're gonna do your hammer strike. Now, what I want you to do, if you have really good self-control, your power and energy and focus is gonna go through the camera, and my hand's gonna go down because you're gonna hit it. All right, here we go. So go to your horse, just like so. Good. All right, here we go. All right, I'm ready. Are you ready? If you're ready, say yes, Sensei. All right, very good. Here we go. And here's the blue. Oh, very good hammer. Very good. Okay, when the red comes out, you're gonna do the hammer. Go. Oh, nice. Very good. Okay, the red's gonna come out again. Ready? Oh, I was too quick. I was too quick for you. Here we go. The red's gonna come out again. Oh, very nice. Good, good. Okay, now it's the blue. Now it's the blue. Ready? The blue comes out. Oh, wow. That was a quick hammer strike, buddy. Very good. All right, now it's gonna come out very quick. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? And go. Oh, whoa. That was a nice hammer. Very good. Very good. And next one. Oh, nice. Good job. Okay, hand to your side. Very good. And bow to Sensei. Bow. Oos. Very good. Excellent job, guys. Good job with our hammer strikes. All right. Now, for you guys that watched the other videos, we went over a scoop ice cream block. And that's learning how to block. Now, with that, there is a form of self-control because you have to stand still when you're doing your karate. When you're doing your blocks, you gotta stand still. It's self-control. Same thing where we're just practicing our hammer strike, you gotta make sure. So I wanna test out your guys' blocks. And I have my noodles in the back to test out your guys' blocks. So, but I'm gonna give you a quick refresher to do scoop number ice cream number 1 and scoop ice cream number 2. So here we go. So we're here. So number 1, I drop the hand, pretend you have a spoon in your hand, scoop the ice cream, and toss it. Because that was not an ice cream you liked, and come back. Now the other hand down, scoop, and toss it, and back. Very good, one more time, ready? Come down, scoop, excellent, very good. Who's focused? Who has that self-control? Good job. Down, scoop, and back. There you go. Good, hand to your side, and say, hoos, hoos. Good job, all right, I'm gonna grab the noodles now. They're done. All right, now, what's gonna happen is this. I'm gonna swing the noodle across the TV, okay? As the noodle comes across the TV, you, sir, have to react and you have to block because you want the hand here to block. So you're gonna go like this, and the noodle's gonna come here. Now, if I'm going like this and you block, oh, just like that, good job blocking, very good. It's gonna go on this side. If the red comes out, you'll go on this side. All right, very good. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna test your blocks. Hopefully you've been practicing. And remember, it's over here. So you're gonna do your scoop ice cream. Remember, you're gonna do your scoop ice cream on this side. Ready, go. Oh no, oh, nice block. Oh. All right, here comes the blue now. Remember, the blue you're gonna block over here. Ready, and go. Oh, you guys are blocking really well. Good job practicing the next video. Okay, one more time. Ready? Here we go. And and now the other one. Oh, block. Oh, very good, guys. Bow. Good job reviewing your blocks. Now, I have a special treat for you guys. Now, in karate, we want to practice, and sometimes we practice by punching bags and punching little foam things, just like I showed you guys earlier with the pads. Now, when we're practicing karate, we don't want to practice on our furniture, we don't want to practice on our brothers and sisters, or our pets, or anything. Now, we have to make sure that we're practicing with things that are related to karate. For example, our pads over here. Just like so. Something squishy. Just like so, right? Or we have this practice board here. All right, so because you guys are doing so well, I'm gonna give you the opportunity to show me your best self-control. I'm gonna hold this out like this, and you're gonna try to do a very good hammer strike and hopefully break the board. But you have to have very good self-control. Always practice that self-control. So, for example, I want everybody right now, get into your horse stance, just like so. Hands, elbow position. Good, okay. Focus, breathe. And when I say go, you're gonna bring your hand up. And you're gonna come down with the hammer. And hopefully you guys will be able to break it. All right, here we go. I gotta get in position. All right, okay, here we go. All right, okay. All right, you guys ready? Okay, good, you're ready. Okay, horse stance, good. All right, when I say go, you're gonna do a hammer strike. Ready, go. Oh, it didn't break. Oh, let's try it again, Ready, horse stance, hammer strike, go. Oh, it didn't work that time. Should we just stop? No, we never quit, we never stop. One thing about being a black belt is that we never give up. All right, let's try it again, one last time. All right, get a good horse stance. Good, okay, here we go. Ready? All right. You know what? I have faith in you guys. You can do it. Good hammer strike. Ready? And go! Oh! Nice! Good job, guys. Excellent job. Bring your hands to your side. Good. Bow to Sensei. Whoos! All right, guys. Now we're going to end class today. Now remember, karate is about practicing self-control. And everything we did today was always about controlling our body and controlling our minds. Remember that, guys. Again, this is Sensei Jose. Thanks for joining me, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Later. Hey, Karate for Kids. If you guys like that karate class, subscribe right here. Right here. Every single week, there's going to be new karate classes, new lessons, new animals, new principles. Okay? And there's going to be ways for you guys to be able to practice this at home. All right? So again, if you guys loved it, please subscribe right here. Every single week, we get new videos and uploaded. So come back and check us out.